In the next 60 seconds, you're going to learn how to add a featured block for your WooCommerce products on the home page or any page of your Gutenberg WordPress website. I'm going to show you how to select specific products to show up in that featured spot as well. Hi, I'm Bjorn from WPLearningLab. If you get value from this video, make sure you click like and subscribe to let me know, and let's get started. To get started, click on any page you want to add the featured product block to. I'll just do this on the home page of this website. I'm going to add a new container. I will make the container full width, and to the container we're going to add a block called products by tag. Click on that. By default, nothing will show. On the right hand side, under the product tags field, search for the product tag that you want to have featured on the home page. Mine's called featured home, and that will load the products into the home page. You can change the styling. I'm going to change it to have 3 columns and 3 products per page, so the spacing is just right, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to click on Save to save my changes, and that tag, Featured Home, is a tag that I added to these products. You will have to do this too to get the products to show up on whichever page you want. To do that, head out to the WordPress dashboard, go to Products under WooCommerce. This will show all of your products here. We see on the Tags column, we have Featured Home set for 3 of these. To add your tags, just select whichever ones you want. Go to Bulk Actions, choose Edit, click Apply. In the Product Tags field, add a product tag, save it, and then you can load those products into whichever products by tag block you want on any page on your website. If you got value from this video, click like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this playlist on the screen right now, which is all about improving your WordPress skills, so make sure you check that out, and I'll see you there.